learn how to remove and replace the cover set on your Willow car seat. First, remove the canopy, unhook the elastic loops, press the buttons, and lift on both sides. Remove the head pad. Next, flip the seat over to remove the harness straps from the yoke. Flip the seat back over to pull off the comfort pads. Now open the chest clip and unbuckle the harness. Remove the buckle and belly pad. Detach the 2 elastic straps from the front of the shell and untuck the cover. Undo the elastic bands located on the belt guides on each side. Pull out the tips of the plastic snaps, securing the cover to the shell on both sides. Undo the elastic from around the back of the seat. Pull the harness strap, buckle tongue, and chest clip through the hip anchor slot in the cover. Repeat for the other side. Finally, pull the seat cover and lift it away from the shell. To replace the cover, first fit the cover onto the top of the carrier shell and around the head restraint. Pull the harness strap, chest clip, and buckle tongue through the hip anchor slot in the cover. Repeat for the other side. Pull the harness adjuster strap through the cover. Tuck the cover around the back of the seat shell. Tuck the cover around the front of the seat shell. And secure the 2 elastic straps. Next, secure the plastic snaps at the side of the carrier shell. Then, secure the elastic straps near the carrier belt guides. Replace the buckle and belly pad. Replace the comfort pads and harness straps. Ensure the harness straps are not twisted. To replace the canopy, slide the canopy into the slot until the button pops through the opening. Tuck the fabric into the channel on the back. Then slide the elastic loops over the canopy knuckle on both sides. Lastly, we will replace the head pad and buckle the harness.